Have you ever wondered why, in some cultures, women are forbidden from entering temples during their menstrual cycle? Is there a scientific basis for this prohibition, or is it purely a cultural or religious practice? Menstruation is a natural biological process that occurs in women of reproductive age. Every month, the female body prepares for potential pregnancy. When the egg isn't fertilized, the lining of the uterus or the endometrium sheds and is expelled through the vagina. This process is menstruation, commonly referred to as having a period. This isn't a disease or a condition that affects a woman's physical or mental capabilities. It's merely a part of the reproductive cycle. But then, why are women considered impure or unfit during this time in certain societies? The notion of impurity associated with menstruation isn't based on science, but is a cultural and religious belief. Some cultures or religious practices view the menstrual blood as impure, and thus restrict women from participating in religious or sacred activities. This is not universal and varies greatly among different religions, cultures, and regions. From a scientific perspective, there's no evidence to suggest that menstruating women are impure or unfit for any activity, religious or otherwise. Menstruation is a normal biological function, akin to breathing or digestion. It doesn't affect a woman's ability to function, nor does it make her impure. In fact, the menstrual cycle is an indicator of a woman's health. Regular periods are a sign of a healthy reproductive system and overall health. Menstruation is a natural and essential part of the reproductive process. It's what makes human life possible. To summarize, the prohibition of women from temples during menstruation isn't based on scientific principles. It's a cultural and religious practice that varies greatly among different cultures and religions. Menstruation is a natural biological process, not a state of impurity or uncleanliness. The world is gradually changing its views on this, with many modern societies and religious institutions re-evaluating these practices in light of scientific understanding. The aim is to promote inclusivity and gender equality, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their biological functions, has the same rights and opportunities. This brings us to the end of our exploration of the scientific aspects of menstruation and its cultural and religious implications. Remember, menstruation is a natural, healthy process. It's time to break the taboos and embrace the science. Thank you for joining this enlightening journey. Let knowledge guide our beliefs and actions. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep learning.